that the top two on the box are negative. The bottom two on the box are positive. Okay, if I put a test charge in the middle, so what's a test charge? A test charge is a made-up charge. It's always positive, and it's what we use to figure out what will happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the fields that each of these things make. This is going to make an electric field away from it. This is going to make an electric field away from it. This is going to make an electric field towards it. And this one will make an electric field towards it. So, I asked myself, what's going to happen to something in the middle? If it's not obvious to you, what you do is you start connecting the fields together. This one is going to go here. This one will go here. This one will try to go over here. This one over here. Okay, this one will probably do something similar. This one should do something similar. These ones will kind of go away from each other because they're both pushing away, so they kind of do something like that. What direction is this one going to go? It's going to follow the pattern. It's going to go up. Notice I didn't solve any math, didn't plug any numbers in. All I did was I drew the object, I drew the fields they make, I put a charge where it said, and then I figured out what would it do. Positive charges are repelled from positive charges. Negative charges attract test charges, so it goes towards the negatives, but it goes towards both of them equal, so that pulls it straight up. It gets repelled from the two positive, but it gets repelled equal, so that'll push it straight up. So draw the triangle, put a positive charge in the middle, and then figure out which way it's going to go. So you really only need to solve number 1. Number 2 you can explain. Number 3 you're going to draw and explain. Okay? All right, here's what I want you to work on the last bit of the period. Yeah, we'll just give you time to work here. Here's what you're going to work on the last bit of the period. I want you to work on, first of all, make sure that the opener is done. If you're not done with the opener, you need to finish that before you go. Because I need to check it to make sure you guys are on the right track. There's only one really big, nasty type of problem this unit, and it's the one we did last class. So I want to make sure that you're in good shape on those, because it doesn't really make sense to give you like one of those every class period, which is really kind of what you need to make sure you're on the right track. But I'm also not going to give you one of these big problems every single time you come to the class. You're welcome. So finish the opener, work on the practice. The practice is homework. There's only the 3 questions.